kay gym. Sa paano sa Bilaran nandiyo no?
Sa gym.
Pero
Jump ball.
Tahu kasih ko ano?
3 points. Jersey number 4.
Isa to ta. Sila?
Batas. David. Batas again. Foul move. Foul. And jersey number 35. First personal foul. First for the team. Batas again. Tia Rizalita. Corner 3. Yes. Rizalita. Jersey number 4. Long pass to Pahang. Pahang stops. Stolen by Virad. Virad 3 versus 3 situation. Virad. And that will be a traveling violation. Jersey number 4 again against Virad. To Monteron. Monteron back to number 4. Side Ladon. Shot clock 14. Number 4, not in my house. Batas to Arizalita. Arizalita. David. Out of bounds. Ball possession, CV Hunters. Monteron to number 25. Sarabia guarded by 2 to Monteron. Same ball.
Pressure.
Serving on the line, bola sa YBC. Arizalita. Tumira back to Arizalita. To Miguel. Miguel. Tumira sa ilalim. Shot clock 9 seconds. Arizalita for 3. Arizalita. Number 25.
Dati ka no.
Tumuturon, stolen by Soliano. Soliano, Pinodino, stolen again. Jersey number 4. Tumuturon. Soliano, not in my house again. But there's a whistle.
Di na masih ko ano. Naman. Upang.
Pressure gamay, Jen!
Pagbilas, magawa ba? Tapi kung
Pangha, pwede, rebound batas. Batas. Turun, Arizalita again. Arizalita, stolen. Long pass, lagi isang ikaw. Jersey number 4, 2 points. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 35 seconds. May green your fakes. Jumper. Monteron again. Against Virad. Monteron. To number 4. To Sarabia. And the 3 seconds violation. Arizalita na naman.
ina na score.
To Virad.
Fight na din.
Virad. David. Backcourt violation. Remaining time 7 minutes and 30 seconds.
I-announce the score.
Score 6 against 5. 1 point lead. YDC. Ay salita na naman ito. Migrin ito batas. Batas na Rab. Stops. Block. Wala. Tip back sa Rabia. Wala lang gawin. Bila lang ako ha. And foul again in jersey number 35 sa Rabia. That is your second personal foul. Second for the team. Remaining time 7 minutes. Arizalita to Migrinho again. Migrinho back to Arizalita. Arizalita Hueto. David. Got his own miss. A nice pass. Soriano to Virad. Shot clock 10. To Migrinho. Back to Virad. Jumper. Wala. Batas. Foul move. Wala lang gapon. Sarap ito Veteran. 12 versus 2 situation in Veteran. And that is at a regular violation. Change 5.
Tunggu na.
Torres. To Asuncion. To Parorot. To Asuncion. David. Sarabia. To Pahang. Dancing. Back to Sarabia against 3 defenders. 2 points. Sarabia. Score 7 against 6. Change table. Inside to Torres. Torres, Stalin. Jersey number 7, Stalin again, Asuncion. Wala. Sarabia, foul move. Kick out. Veteran, cover 3. David. Along Buko. Bola sa YDC. Torres again. Utarera for the David. Offensive rebound, may pena. Wala, again nito. Sarabia to Veteran. Veteran all alone. Records. Veteran. Remaining time 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Inside to Torres. David. Veteran to Sarabia, easy to points. Score 11 against 6. 5 points lead. Torres takes on inside fake to Sagittarius. Sagittarius. David. Veteran all alone. Records. Veteran. Pilson 33, Noted, the rebound, and foul.
Mahot.
Perez. Position for three. Noted. Fast break again. Junita back to Sarabia. Block. But there's a foul. Foul jersey number 9, Sagittarius. First personal foul. First team foul. Foul. Jersey number 17. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Perez. Inside again. Instant for three. Wala. Perez na ba? Turupan na. Fix. Foul. Block. Same ball. Ascension 33, David, and foul on jersey number 7, Lopena. First personal foul, Lopena, second 43. Jersey number 7, Junita, stolen by Ascension. 4 versus 2, Ascension by Sagittarius, to Perez. 2 points, Perez. 2 minutes remaining time. Junita nakawala sa tulo. Tumatirot. David agawang buko, Sagittarius. Bupasa sa kontra.
Kulpaan man eh.
Wilkins, Monteron. Remaining time, 1 minute and 30 seconds for the first quarter of the game. Perez, Flutter, David, Lopena, Inson, and another foul coming from jersey number 9, Sagittarius. That is your second personal foul, third for the team. Motoron, 1 minute remaining time. To Sarabia, to number 11, no good. Sarabia put back, 2 points. Score, 17 against 8 in favor of CV Hunters. Inside again. Paranet to Perez position, short, 10 seconds, 5, and that's the end of the first quarter. Score 17 against 8 in favor of CV Hunters. Palipog, Linyare. Second 5. Huh? Start of our second quarter. Offense ang kan, yellow. Jersey number 11 against number 9. Ang number 19 dito. Number 8 is down by Zaldua. Zaldua to Aranga. Corner 3. David put back Zaldua. Yes, 2 points. Zaldua. Same ball. Jersey number 19 to number 28. Valid by 2 defenders. Nakula.
Go!
Shot clock 12 seconds. Jersey segundos. Jersey number 19. Starting by Nicolin. Bago isang ikaw. Last 2 points. Jersey number 19. And foul. Jersey number 10, Nick Kulog. First personal foul. First for the team. Jersey number tinggi tayo. May Kulog. Aranga 40. David bisa ambil ang malaking bala. 2 points. Jersey number 19 again. Pass to Stalin. Aranga to Nicolin. 2 versus 2 situation. Nicolin to Zaldua. Easy 2 points by Zaldua. Score 17 against 16. 1 point lead. Stalin again. But out of bounds. Jersey number 19 nakawala. Zaldua to Aranga. Masyadong malakas. Jersey number 19. Guys, back to defenders. To jersey number 28. Back to number 19. Fix, one last move. That move, rebound Enriquez. And advance.
There ba? Nasa kita. Nasa kita. Mahanap-hanap ang mata.
Jersey number 10, May Kulog. To Zaldua. Zaldua to Duenas. Negod. Enriquez, foul move. Wala, pasa Zaldua. 2 points, Zaldua. Change, favor. Foul again on jersey number 10, May Kulog. That is your second personal foul. Second team foul. Remaining time 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Jersey number 19, Agalang Buko, guided by 2. Gibuno. Advance. May Kulog again. Buenas, 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 Buenas. Foul again, this is number 10. Third personal foul. Third for the team. Same ball.
20.
Stalin now Arango. Arango pass to Buenas. To Zaldua. Zaldua for the Nugget. Put back Enriquez. There is again. 2 points. Buenas. Jersey number 19. Stalin by Arango. Arango long pass. Stalin again. Jersey number 28. Dancing Nabitawan.
Taas kasi ko ang mayos.
Foul, jersey number 87, Enriquez. Change, 5. First personal foul, Enriquez. Warning for penalty. Young ballers collide.
Nilakura ka. Boleh. Oh, nato yung score? What yung score?
Timeout, Sibilantos.
Harvey. Masuk ka sa'yo. Ang imuhan jersey. Natong isulot ni Bulit. Ah.
Ayun ka, sila tumawag. Nagatuloy sila.
Ito na, since pa ito. Back to the bubble. Huli. Ubunani all alone, wala. Dahil by 3 defenders, tayo by Arango. Arango, Huli. Returns, Huli.
Paula, wipe out.
Stolen by Lastimado. Lastimado. David. Lastimado again. May pasa sa kontra. JC number 52. Against Lastimado. Stolen by Bulu. Bulu. Masyadong malakas.
Pasab ka. Di siya, pasab ka?
Okay na di ay. Galing by 2 defenders. Foul. Jersey number 22. Blue. Penalty. Bonus free throw for jersey number 22. No strike on that.
That's my man.
Bulu. Bulu. Lastimado. Dego Putra Kunani. Foul. Jersey number 23. First personal foul. First for the team. Second quarter next. Jersey number 22. Guard by 2 defenders. foul. Jersey number 23, second personal foul, second for the team. Remaining time, 3 minutes. Arango. Reports. Arango. Score 29 against 21 in favor of Young Ballers Club. Jersey number 22 dancing guided by 2 defenders. Paso number 23,
Nice, Valen!
stolen and foul. Jersey number 18, first personal foul, third team foul.
Sa quarter.
Bully. And another foul on jersey number 18.
Second quarter, 1 and
Second personal foul, jersey number 18. Warning for penalty.
second quarter na spot lang.
Arango again. To Arafel. Arafel. No good. Football po na ni. Wala. Again dito. Dito ni number 23. Number 18, number 6. Stolen. Wala. Number 22. Pushing the pace. And a foul on jersey number 29. Second personal foul, Bunani. Penalty. Remaining time, 1 minute. Second ball for Max. 1 minute remaining time. Bully. Wala ang tao kaiban. Siya lagbabon. Wala. Muna. Jersey number 6 to Bully. Bully again. Ako na lang. No good. Foul. Jersey number 23 again. Third personal foul, penalty. First and good. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 2 points, Bully. Remaining time, 10 seconds. Five. And that's the end of the first half. Score 31-82 in favor of the Young Ballers Club. Start of our second half. Third quarter.
Sab-sab na. Ay, pwede na sab. One night. Natuyo.
Change court.
Tama gagawin.
Ay, mahal tayo, takano.
Arizalita. Tumatas. Batas, tumira, jumper. Sarabia. Tumutaraw against Arizalita. Again, because Suriano to Arizalita again. 2 versus 3 situation. Arizalita. Well, nice pass to Burad. But no good. Again, because same ball.
No, ang jersey, ulit. Manay mo sulot line.
Burad to Arizalita. Offensive foul on jersey number 4, Arizalita. Natural. Long pass to number 4. Pero sa team. No good. Again dito. Jump ball. Same ball. Foul. Jersey number 24, back pass. First personal foul, back pass. First, for the feed. Sarabia, 23. No good. Rebound, Soriano, to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4.
Oops!
Foul. Number 4 lang yung hapon. First personal foul. First, for the feed. Asuncion for 3. No good, along dito. Sarabia ang nakuha. Sarabia. Advance. Bola sa Young Bowlers Club. Arizalita again. Good steal na bola. Easy 2 points. Motoran. Long pass to jersey number 4. Gan Soriano dancing. Jersey number 4. Terus sa team. To Sarabia. Shot clock 10. Motoran fix. Shot clock 5. Jersey number 4. Motoran for 3. No good. Put back Sarabia. 2 points. Sarabia. Arizalita long pass to Asuncion. Tabandang tura, no good. Sarabia all alone. Wala. Rebound Batas. Batas to Arizalita. To Soriano. 2 points. Soriano. Stolen, but same ball. Juanita. Pumuturan, back to Juanita. 4-2. No good, rebound Soriano. Soriano ito patas. Batas to jersey number 4 again. Long pass to Birad. Birad to Juliano. Jumper. No good. Offensive rebound. Asuncion. Birad. Fix. Jumper. Wala. Lateral rebound. Long pass. All alone. 2 points. Jersey number 4. Score 26 against 35. Asuncion. 3 points. Asuncion. We need a nice move. Back 7. Arizalita. 2 points. Arizalita. Sarap agad sa Arizalita. 2 jersey number 4. Nakawala, masyadong mataas, rebound batas. Batas to Arizalita again. 2 points, Arizalita. Natural lang pass. Ubos sa number 4 again, Lamsa. Dancing, Floto. No good, rebound batas. Batas to Asuncion. And that will be a traveling violation. Remaining time 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Yuni ka pang naturon. 4-2. Pasa de ay. Foul. On jersey number 24, Batas. That is your second personal foul. Second for the team.
Box out, box out!
Second floor connect. Arizalita against jersey number 4 to Batas. Batas, tabitawan. Batas lagi hapon power move. And foul on jersey number 17. Third personal foul, jersey number 17. Second team foul. Remaining time 6 minutes.
Awata! Suliano!
Asuncion. Very nice move. To Arizalita. Very nice pass to Juliano. Back to Arizalita. That's no good. Starting Asuncion. Asuncion dancing. To Juliano. Arizalita. Short jumper. No good. Put back Juliano. Yes, 2 points. Juliano. Score 33 against 87. Foul. Jersey number 9, Birad. First personal foul, Birad. Third for the team.
Box out, box out! Box out, Suliano!
Second ball connect. Arizalita, jersey number 4 against number 4, Jersey Juliano. Juliano back to Arizalita. Arizalita to Asuncion. Asuncion back to number 4, shot clock 10. Later, Nogo, put back Asuncion. Yes, 2 points, Asuncion. Remaining time 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Motoron dancing against Birad. Long pass. Jersey number 7, what a nice pass.
Lawata! Lawata! Birad,
Arizalita again. To Batas. Batas. To Asuncion. Stops for through. Yes! It is Asuncion. Stolen by Sarabia. 2 versus 2 situation. Arban, same goal. Time out. One ball stop. Remaining time 4 minutes. Score 48 against 28. 20 points lead. Young Boys Club. Back to the game.
Nalupat na?
Two points, Sarabia. Perez, tumigil nyo. Long pass to Lupana. Stolen. Patay na. Substitution. Naparan. To Sarabia. Putangan. Number 17, foul. Air foul on jersey number 7, Lopena. Second personal foul, Lopena. Running for penalty.
Box, low, box, low.
Rebound Sagittarius. Sagittarius to Perez. Perez to Zaldua to Sagittarius. Back to Zaldua. To Perez, Sphinx. Flipper, short. Tahang. Ako na lang against the defenders. And foul. On jersey number 9, Sagittarius. Penalty. Third personal foul, Sagittarius. Penalty. Ivan Lopena. Lopena to Sagittarius. Stolen by jersey number 4, Lanza. 2 points. Zaldua. Lopena against number 17. Advance, same ball. Lopena, power again, stolen. Siya lang gihapon.
Balik!
Lanza, masyado malalim. Rebound Sagittarius. Negreño. Negreño to Sagittarius. To Perez. Shot lock 10. Lopena jumper. Short. Lopena again. To Lanza all alone. 2 points, Lagsa. Remaining time 1 minute and 35 seconds. Perez, and that will be a traveling violation. Substitution.
I-announce ang score.
Score 48 against 34 in favor of Lambo Islam, Sarada Fix. And that is a traveling violation. Miguelos. Dipasa sa putra, Sarada. Tapos Ventura, no good. Foul on jersey number 12, Zaldua. First personal foul, Zaldua. Penalty. Offensive rebound, jersey number 17, David. Rebound. Bigay ito sa Sagittarius. Sagittarius, foul mid. Foul. Ang nakuha, jersey number 17. Warning for disqualification, jersey number 17. Third team foul. Lapay na foul move. Tizalua, short jumper. No good, agawang buko. Sarabia. 10 seconds remaining time. Buko, Sarabia. 5 seconds. That's the end of the third quarter. Score 38 against 36. The White Bulls lead. Round Bulls Club. Let's start the last and final quarter.
Long.
Bola sa Young Bulls Club.
Ikaw na bakit may tubig at may tubig sa tumoy at tumuha na.
May kulong. Tubianas Piloto. No good. Siyang nakuha agawang dito. Nakuha ni jersey number 28, Tiongson. Tiongson pushing the post against Enriquez. Nabi Tawan. Out of bounds. Buenas. Out of bounds. Jersey number 19, Hayag against jersey number 9. to Chongson. Chongson sa ilalim. Jersey number 19. Eight. Foul. Jersey number 9, Arango. First personal foul. First team foul. Yes. Second point from there. Muli. Wala nakita o kauban. Traveling violation. Number 19, started by Arango. Block in. There's number 19 again. Jersey number 19. To Chongson. To number 6. Jersey number 6. Muli. Stolen by number 19. To number 6. No good. Rebound to Kulog. Kulog to Buli. Buli to Arango. Jumper. No good. Enriquez put back. Stolen. Enriquez for two. No good. Stolen. They're going to the new to Viennas all alone. 2 points. Viennas. Johnson against two defenders to number 19. Bulu. Enriquez to Mikulog. Mikulog fakes to Enriquez. Shot for 5 seconds. Johnson against 3 defenders. Johnson foul on jersey number 27, Enriquez. Third personal foul, Enriquez. Second team foul. First open back. Offensive rebound, pass to Johnson. Pivots, Johnson.
44 na, 44.
Mikulog to Buli to Viennas. Viennas to Arango again. Jumper, no good. Enriquez put back. Wala. Arango to Viennas fakes. Viennas, no good. Johnson all alone. Pivots, jersey number 19. Score 46 against 50. Mikulog to Buli. Buli stops for 3. Tatawan mo to Hayag. Dancing. To number 18. To Hayag. Shot clock. 14. Number 18. No good. Remaining time 7 minutes. Shot clock 7 seconds. Stepping on the line. B. Colon. Long pass to Vienes. Vienes to Arango. 30. No good. Blue. Up on the line. Block. And stepping on the line. Hayag against Blue. Johnson against two defenders. Dancing. Foul. Substitution.
Bilin ka to.
Jersey number 22, Figs. Arafel. To Vienes. Shot clock 14. Long pass to Bunani all alone. Peters. Bunani. Jersey number 7, Bonita. Foul. Jersey number 27. Substitution. Yes. Boleh, siap. Vienes to Arango. Arango fakes. Nakawala. Very nice move by Jersey number 9. Jersey number 7, 22. Guard by 2 defenders. Number 88, started by Arango. Timeout. CB Hunters. Foul jersey number 23. Warning for disqualification, jersey number 23. First for the team. Back to the ball.
Left.
Bienes.
Pip.
Arango. Stops. 1-2. Short. Number 22 against.
47 na naman yung
Foul.
47.
Number 22. Against Lastimado. To the 98.
Little Kuya Pip.
Short. Yes, Bulls for number 23. Canoy.
Pip.
Score 54 against 49. Out of 4, jumper, masyado malakas.
49.
Fibonacci and God River to leveling violation. Remaining time, 4 minutes. Number 22 against Buenas. Number 22 dancing. Long pass. Number 26. Back to number 22. Gibuno. Buenas. To Lastimado all alone. Defense, Lastimado. Number 22 against Buenas. Number 22 dancing, tabang alagupat. Number 88, Stalin by Arango. Arango to Buenas. Back to Arango. Lahat. Bunani Palmi. Put back Lastimado. Defense. Lastimado. 3 minutes remaining time. Score 58 against 49 in favor of Young Boys Club.
Warren.
Foul. Jersey number 43. Arapol. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Number 22, nabitawan, Bernani. To number 26, masyadong lakas, Bernani to Arafel. Arafel, long pass, masyadong mahinay. Number 22, dancing, to Canoy. To number 22 again. Nice pass. Buenas all alone. Foul and one foul jersey number 88. First personal foul. Second team foul.
60-49.
Substitution. Canoy. Bola sa Silverters. Hayag, number 88. Back to Hayag, stolen by Bunani. Bunani to Bienes. Sensyo para si Bunani.
Sampan. Is
Bunani, 2 points. Remaining time 1 minute and 40 seconds.
GK.
Foul, jersey number 27, Buenos. Second personal foul penalty. First to connect.
$64.50, Pep.
2 for 2. Buenos. To Arango. Arango to Lastimado. Short. Lastimado again. Another one. Wala. Bunani Paulo. 2 points. Bunani. Number 19. Number on the board. Arasol.
Go, Warren!
Ellen. Number Bunani put back. 2 points. 1 minute. Seconds.
Latag na to.
40 seconds. 2 points. Buenos. 35
Ayan
seconds.
na to. Sakto na.
Seconds. 2 points. Buenos.
Tom, balik na. Ayaw na. Ayaw.
Sige good. Buenos. Batay. 2 points. 15 seconds.
Bintang. Bintang. Balik na. Latag.
10 seconds. Lastimado. That's the end of the building. Shake hands, players.